Hi boys and girls, and welcome again to Ralph's Garage of Chaos. Today I'm going to show you how to use your wiper blades that I showed you in the first video to replace, and how to use those as spares for, you never know. But you can reuse your wiper blades. I'll show you how easy way to do it. But first I'm going to go to the zone, and get the oil that I changed yesterday, and I'm going to get rid of it because they take it for free, so it's not costing you any money. And then while I'm there, maybe I will find a wiper blade in the trash, and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so wait back, I'll come right back. Now I'm driving into the place that I'm going to get my oil change. Hopefully their garbage cans aren't empty, because I need to find a used wiper blade to show you how to reuse your old wiper blades. So I'm going to go inside, dump my oil for free, and come back. I got my oil drained for free, but they clean their garbage cans out, so I have no used wiper blades. I'm going to try one more place. Well, let me see. I just come up to another auto parts store. Let's see what they got in the trash. Oh, this is a Duralast. Ooh, it's powerful. Oh, here's one. Oh, that's just yeah, I guess I'll take this one. This is a used one in the trash that I just picked out. Okay, so this is the one I just picked out of the trash. Alright, you see it's smaller than that one. Alright, this one I replaced a couple months back. This one is just one out of the trash. See, I looked at it. It's fairly decent. If it's bitched up or anything like that, cut or something, you can't use it. Then you're screwed. Alright, let me go back, and I'll show you how to do it. Welcome back again. Now I'm inside. I'm going to show you how to reuse your wiper blades. This is the one I picked out of the trash you just saw, and these are the two that I replaced in my first video that I was going to tell you how to reuse these. So we're going to do all of them together so you can see exactly what I do, and then we're going to test the one I got out of the trash can, and that to prove it. Alright, you need a wiper blade. What you want to do is be near the tap, faucet, sink, something like that. Yes, a spongy pad, put a little dishwashing detergent, soap, and what you're going to do is you're going to clean your wiper blade. Clean it. Now this works only if the wiper blade's in one piece. If it's ripped or anything like that, you're screwed. Alright? Now clean it up with dishwashing detergent. This is the one I picked out of the garbage can. Alright? All nice and clean. Shut that off. Paper towel. Wipe it down. Get all of them. Try to wipe it down as best you can. Get all the water off of it. Alright. You're gonna get a what do you call it? Another towel, napkin. Spray it down with some penetrant. Don't use any synthetic crap, WD-40, dollar store, lubricant, whatever. You want to do is you want to wipe the blade down, the rubber part of it. Rubber part of it. You see all the crap that comes off of it? Yeah, and actually what you're doing, you're cleaning, you cleaned it with the dishwashing detergent, got all the debris off of it, bugs, whatever, off of it, and then you're going to use the lubricant of the penetrant that you have, and you're going to wipe it down. Wipe it down. All right? Wiped it down. See how black that got? Because what happens is the rubber deteriorates, and because of sun, pollution, and bugs, and all that kind of stuff. So you just wipe it down. Next thing you need, a brand new razor blade. All right, you gotta get yourself a brand new razor blade. And now what you're going to do, hopefully you can see it, you're going to hold the razor blade on an angle, and you're going to wipe away. Wipe away from you. You see how my blade is? You see how the blade is? It's on an angle. See how this is on an angle? You're going to wipe. That, you do 2, 3, 4, whatever makes you happy, but you'll see on the blade that there's crap on it. Alright? 1. On an angle. You don't want to jab the wiper blade because you're going to cut it. Angle. This will give you about 3 more months out of this blade. Now, you see the crap on there? You see it? Oh, it looks nice and straight. There's no cuts in this blade or whatsoever, because if you have cuts in the blade, there's cuts in this stuff, it's not going to work for you. Alright, that's what I'm telling you. And you're going to wipe it down again with the same rag. It's done. Now I'm going to do these. Because now I'm going to put these in the trunk, and these are going to be my spares. Okay? See? I hope you guys can see this. Hopefully you don't see it. Doing production here. I'm going to have all Del Rey bring their wiper blades to me for use. new razor blade. And these are pretty cheap. You can buy a pack for like $4, a pack of 100. You want to go away from the blade. Away. Have the angle. Let me show you this again. Watch me. I'm going away from me. Away from me. Keep the blade on an angle. See how the blade's like this. The blade's facing that way. The windshield wiper blade is facing in front of you, and your blade is facing towards you. If that's easy. You do both sides about 3 or 4 times, 5 times, and you should be good to go. That one's done. Wipe it down. Done. Other one. This stuff basically is you're re-lubricating the rubber in the wiper blade, and since it's now well lubricated, you can clean it and squeegee. You're sharpening the blade pretty much so. And make sure that the blade's towards you, and this is forward. Forward towards you. That makes sense. One stroke. One stroke. So now I have I got a spare. Now I replaced these about a month and a half ago, and then 2 months ago, and I was going to show you, and I just got booked up. So that one's that one, that one's that. These are my spares. This is a piece of junk that I found out of the garbage can, and I'm going to put this on the car and show you what it does. Okay, now I'm gonna put the junky one on. Let me show you so you can see it. See, it's that Duralast one that I got out of the freaking trash. Alright. I remember I told you about putting cardboard or something so you don't want the metal of the wiper arm to hit your glass and break your glass. But I don't have any cardboard right now, so I'm using a towel. Okay, rubber to rubber. Now I'm going to show you what that does with a car wash, because my car needs a clean. That's another way you can save some money on gas. Have your car clean, don't have any debris on it, like the race car drivers do. So I'm going to show you right now in the vehicle what it does. I'm going to go to the car wash. Okay, I'm at the car wash. Let's see. That looks good. Did you hit like? Did you hit subscribe? It's free, and it's for me, and it's for you too. All this free information. As I'm getting my car washed, hopefully I show some more. That we expect for $7. And that's, oh, here we got more water. Look at that, look how nice it is. And that's the one that see how I used it? That's my old one. See the streaky? It's not streaky. Well, it's got crap on it. That's why. But this is what I'm showing you how to save yourself some money and reuse those wiper blades that I showed you how to replace the first time. But you know, after you can pay as much as like $30 for a set of 2 of them. That's freaking junk. Wiper blades last so long, and they are going faster and faster because of the environment. So, look, you could save yourself some money. I just saved you $30 today by reusing your wiper blades that you replaced before. You can also do the same thing on if you have a rear. You see the wiper blade in the back. That one too. Oh, nice. Here it's squish squash. Nice. So, hit like, hit subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything, and I can give you some more of this free information. Okay? Okay, so I showed you how to reuse your wiper blades. So I'm going to take this piece of junk one that I got in the garbage can that I showed you. Just remember, put something underneath it. You don't want it to hit the glass. Now, these are the ones I originally replaced and showed you the first video what to do. Now I've got spares. Take that. There you go. Yeah, now you have 2 spares, so when these start acting funny, you could do the same thing again, put them in the same box, use them as spares, and use the ones that you originally replaced, saving you money. Saving you money. Saving you money. Did you subscribe yet? Did you hit like? Do that. It's free. I can give you more and more of this information. You could send me a comment, hey, Ralph, could do this, do that, how can you save me some money on it? I'll try to save you guys money, because I like to save money. I want to pass on the goodness to you. So please like, subscribe, comment, no bad comments, and check out Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean Dees. He's a good friend of mine. And check my niece, Juliana Carfaro. She's got the artsy-tartsy stuff that I keep on saying. And I need to get more women out there to check out. You guys, tell your girlfriends, tell your mother, tell your sister, tell your lover, tell your wife. Hit me up. Thanks. Catch you next time. Bye.